why did you tell Mom this?
You can always just get on top of them.
I'm not sure. I don't fuck guys that are passed out.
For sure you wouldn't mind.
Andrew, kick your leg really hard up into the air right now. Preferably your left one.
Wait.
He snores like a pig. His eyebrows went way up and he was like...
He's gonna come down and play on it later.
Andrew.
Do we have a different blanket?
What are you doing?
Can I have a different blanket?
Andrew.
Is he playing with you?
Boom!
If you did that to him, I think I would hit you.
I think his balls would be inside of his stomach. And I would probably run.
I think I'd find something sharp and pointy to throw at you, because that's just mean.
I know. I wouldn't do it to
Never
Andrew.
do that to a guy unless I was
I would. There's a few guys I'd do it to. Andrew's not one of them. He's too nice.
Isaiah, Travis.